So everybody's helping Mom with her Facebook Marketplace projects. Yeah. Are you checking them out too? Yep, Mom's found all sorts of stuff in the cabinets that she's trying to purge. What do you think? Is that a nice vase? Planter? Urn? So many keywords, so little time. Wow, wow. What do you think? You being helpful? You think it should be filled with cookies? Yeah, that would make a nice cookie jar, Mom. I think not, guys. What? Do you want some cookies? All right, we'll go find some cookies, okay? All right, let's go. Let's go get the cookies. Come on, you know where they are. Talk to the tail. Hi, Ellie. Come on, go get the cookies. Show me where they are. Jack, I don't have all day. Come on. Over here. Come on. Show me where they are. Come on. Go get your cookies. Okay, we have to... What? What? You're mumbling. Oh, and I know what you want in here. Yes. Brother Merlin taught you about the wonderful world of water fountains. This Mom's Facebook projects. All right, back to the cookies. Want cookies? Come on, up here. Come on, let's go. All right, here's the cookie jar. Okay, cookies for Jack. Water for Maddie. Back to work for Mom. Oh, no, apparently cookies for Maddie too. Cookies for Maddie. Cookies for Maddie. Okay, guys. Good dogs. Well, Jack thinks he's a dog. Okay, guys, Mom's gotta get back at it. Okay? Yeah. All right, off we go.